What's the meaning of calendar month? Calendar month. Calendar month.
Calendar month. Calendar month. A calendar month is a period of time that starts on the first day of a specific month and ends on the last day of that same month. It is used to measure time in many areas of life, including business, finance, and law. The length of a calendar month may vary slightly, from 28 to 31 days, depending on the month and the year. Using calendar months allows for consistent and organized tracking of time, especially when it comes to deadlines, bill payments, and financial statements. This system also helps to ensure that everyone using the standard calendar is on the same page when it comes to scheduling and planning.